Welcome to World Code Updates, your daily briefing on everything happening around the world. The headline blared, "Nationwide fuel supply at risk." It was a warning that echoed across every home, office, and street corner. The news was impossible to ignore, splashed across newspapers, blaring from radios, and scrolling urgently on television screens. For millions of Filipinos, it was a moment of collective anxiety, a realization that something bigger than a storm was brewing. A super typhoon, the fiercest in a decade, was barreling toward the Bataan Peninsula. Meteorologists warned of record-breaking winds and torrential rain, and the entire nation watched as the storm's path zeroed in on a single critical point on the map. For a moment, the Philippines seemed to pause. Streets emptied, families huddled around their televisions, and a tense silence settled over the cities and countryside alike. It was as if the entire nation was holding its breath, waiting for the first blow to land. The threat wasn't just the storm, it was the risk to the Bataan refinery, the nation's energy lifeline. The stock market flickered with uncertainty. Government officials scrambled in emergency meetings weighing every possible scenario. Refinery workers monitored control panels with steely focus, knowing that the fate of the country rested on their shoulders. The anxiety was real. This was no exaggeration. This was a national emergency unfolding in real time. In our modern world, everything runs on energy. From the moment we wake up and turn on the lights, to the bustling traffic that fills our streets, to the power lines that crisscross the nation. Energy is the invisible force that keeps life moving. Without fuel, cars, buses, and planes would stop. The vibrant pulse of the city would fade, and the country's vital arteries would grind to a halt. The silence of empty highways and grounded airplanes would be a stark reminder of our dependence on a steady energy supply. Power plants would go dark, plunging neighborhoods and businesses into uncertainty. Hospitals, factories, and homes would be left vulnerable, their operations disrupted by the loss of electricity. The shutdown of this single facility, even briefly, could paralyze the nation. The ripple effects would be felt everywhere, from the smallest barangay to the heart of Manila. The Bataan refinery isn't just another factory, it's a strategic asset, the engine of the Philippine economy. Its output powers industries, transports goods, and lights up millions of homes. Its continuous operation is a matter of national security. Protecting it means protecting the nation's future, its economy, and the daily lives of every Filipino. On that day, everyone realized how their daily lives depended on this one facility. From cooking meals to running businesses, from commuting to school to keeping hospitals open, every aspect of life was tied to the refinery's resilience. The refinery, fortified by decades of engineering, braced for impact. Engineers and workers secured equipment, double-checked safety systems, and prepared for the worst, determined to keep the heart of the nation beating. Its crew worked tirelessly, following protocols honed by years of drills. Through the howling winds and pounding rain, they stood their ground. The crisis passed. The refinery stood strong, a testament to human ingenuity and teamwork. The nation breathed a collective sigh of relief. There was joy, gratitude, and a renewed sense of unity as people realized just how close they had come to disaster and how much they owed to those who kept the lights on. But the lesson lingered. Our future is tied to the resilience of this single site. The storm was a warning, a reminder that the nation's strength depends on its ability to protect and sustain its most vital assets. The incident was a dramatic prologue to the untold story of the Bataan refinery. Its history, its challenges, and its triumphs are woven into the fabric of the nation itself. It revealed how this engineering marvel is the very engine that fuels the nation. Every drop of fuel, every spark of electricity, every journey made possible, traces back to this one place. The power and responsibility concentrated in Bataan could not be clearer. The nation's heartbeat, its progress, and its dreams are all powered by the resilience and strength of the Bataan refinery. Picture a colossal heart, forged from steel and concrete, pulsing with energy at the very core of the Philippines. This heart never rests, its rhythm echoing across the archipelago, day and night. It pumps the lifeblood of industry and progress, fuel, across the nation, connecting distant islands and bustling cities alike. This is the Bataan refinery, the largest, most advanced, and most vital refinery in the Philippines, a symbol of national resilience and innovation. Spanning over 550 hectares, it's a sprawling labyrinth of towers, tanks, and pipes. A city within a city, engineered for efficiency and safety. Every day, the refinery processes an astonishing 180,000 barrels of crude oil, transforming raw resources into the energy that powers a nation. Each barrel is meticulously refined into gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and LPG, fuels that keep cars on the road, planes in the sky, and homes warm and bright. Its influence is everywhere, fueling agriculture, manufacturing, construction, logistics, and even the daily journeys of millions of Filipinos. The refinery is a cornerstone of the economy, providing thousands of stable jobs, supporting families, and serving as a major taxpayer that funds public services. By meeting over a third of the country's fuel needs, it shields the nation from volatile global markets and ensures a steady, reliable supply of energy. Domestic refining reduces reliance on expensive imports, strengthens the peso, and helps balance the nation's trade, making the economy more resilient. The Bataan refinery is more than a producer. It's a stabilizer, a guardian of energy security, and a beacon of technological progress. It ensures the lights stay on, factories keep humming, and the wheels of progress keep turning, even in the face of adversity. In a world of uncertainty, it stands as the nation's shield, ready to weather storms, adapt to challenges, and keep the country moving forward. The refinery's output is the energy that powers every journey, every delivery, every dream, keeping the Philippines moving, growing, and thriving. Its role is vital, its impact immeasurable, a true beating heart at the center of the archipelago, sustaining life, progress, and hope for generations to come. The Bataan refinery's story mirrors the Philippines' own growth. It began in 1961 as a modest plant, processing just 25,000 barrels a day. Over decades, it expanded, modernized, and changed hands. The nation's energy needs soared, and the refinery raced to keep up. Piece by piece, it grew, driven by vision and necessity. The game-changer refinery master plan 2 completed in 2015. This multi-billion-dollar upgrade transformed it into a world-class facility. New tech allowed it to convert low-value fuel oil into high-value gasoline and diesel. The refinery's economic model and environmental footprint changed forever. Today, it's a living museum. Old and new technologies working side by side. Its history is one of foresight, investment, and relentless improvement. From humble beginnings, it's now an industrial giant, ready for the challenges of the future. Producing fuel is only half the battle. Delivering it across 7,600 islands is the real feat. In a country as geographically fragmented as the Philippines, the challenge isn't just making fuel, but ensuring it reaches every corner of the archipelago, from the bustling cities to the most remote villages. The journey of every drop of fuel is a story of innovation, resilience, and coordination. The refinery's distribution network is a logistical marvel, designed to overcome the unique obstacles posed by the nation's scattered islands and unpredictable weather. Every day, teams work around the clock to keep the flow steady and reliable. Coastal tankers and barges ferry fuel from Bataan to over 30 depots nationwide. These vessels navigate treacherous waters and shifting tides, ensuring that even the farthest islands are never left behind. Each depot acts as a regional hub, ensuring supply stability even during disruptions. Whether it's a typhoon or a sudden spike in demand, these depots are prepared to keep the nation running. From there, a fleet of road tankers delivers fuel to thousands of stations and clients. These trucks traverse highways, mountain roads, and city streets, braving traffic and distance to reach their destinations. This daily ballet of logistics keeps cities, towns, and remote villages supplied. It's a carefully choreographed operation where timing and precision are everything, and every delivery matters. The network overcomes geography, binding the archipelago together. It's a lifeline that connects people, businesses, and communities, no matter how far apart they are. It ensures a fisherman in Palawan, a farmer in Davao, and a family in Cebu all have access to energy. From powering boats and tractors to fueling daily commutes, this network touches every aspect of Filipino life. The Bataan network is more than a supply chain, it's national integration in action. It's a testament to teamwork, technology, and the unwavering commitment to keep the country moving forward. It's the circulatory system that keeps the Philippines alive and moving. Every shipment, every delivery is a pulse that sustains the nation's heartbeat. Without it, progress would stall. Life as we know it would come to a halt, reminding us just how vital these unseen arteries are to the nation's growth and everyday life. The modern refinery is a digital powerhouse. Engineers monitor thousands of data points in real time, optimizing production and safety. The RMP2 upgrade brought cleaner, Euro 4 fuels, reducing harmful emissions nationwide. Environmental stewardship is woven into operations. Advanced wastewater treatment, vapor recovery, and mangrove reforestation. The refinery's green conscience is as vital as its output. It's a balancing act, meeting energy demand while protecting the environment. Innovation drives both efficiency and responsibility. The future of industry is smart, clean, and sustainable. The refinery's impact is personal. It fuels the Filipino dream. Students, workers, and entrepreneurs all rely on its products. Buses, laptops, ovens, and irrigation pumps, each powered by Bataan's output. Stable fuel supply means businesses can grow and families can thrive. The refinery enables connection, tradition, and daily life. Its true impact is measured in millions of small moments. A tricycle's hum, a light bulb's glow, a family meal. It's more than an industrial site. It's a foundation of modern Philippine society. Quietly, it fuels the dreams of a nation. The refinery's heart is its people, engineers, technicians, and staff. Their expertise keeps the facility running safely 24/7. The refinery is a major employer supporting thousands of families in Bataan. Its presence has transformed the local economy and community. Petron invests in education, healthcare, and the environment, building a stronger Bataan. The relationship is symbiotic. The refinery depends on the community, and the community thrives with it. Pride and shared purpose drive the workforce. The human engine ensures the steel heart of the Philippines keeps beating. The world is shifting toward cleaner energy, and so is the refinery. The future means transformation, not shutdown. Petron is investing in carbon capture, hydrogen, and biofuels. Its infrastructure can adapt to handle new, greener fuels. The refinery's evolution is a national imperative for climate commitments. Its transformation will anchor the Philippines' green transition. The journey is complex, but the goal is clear. Remain vital for the next 50 years. The refinery is powering the nation into a sustainable future. True national strength means energy sovereignty. The refinery is the Philippines' most powerful tool in this quest. Every barrel produced at home is a step toward independence. Domestic refining keeps jobs, technology, and value within the country. The facility is a strategic buffer against global shocks. Future upgrades will focus on flexibility and efficiency. The Petron Bataan refinery is a symbol of resilience and vision. At its core, it ensures the nation can fuel its own future.